Good morning dear student, I am your English teacher and today we shall discuss articles, the exercises of the articles. It is on the page number 38. Page number 38, exercise A. Fill in the blanks with A and or the. You have to fill in the blanks A and or the according to you, which you think that is right or wrong. Next, put a cross where no article is required. If you think this in this blanks there is no article will come, so you will leave that article and you will cross that article. Cross the where no article is required. There is no article is required, so you will cross. The first has been done for you. Dash large number of. So you will put a large number of dash pupil were present. So you will cross the box pupil were present at dash concert. So you will write the concert. So what it will be, the complete sentence, a large number of cross pupil were present at the concert. Okay, now we come on the second. You can write dash letter. So what you will write? A letter. So the complete sentence will be like this. You can write a letter. Number third, dash chocolate is made of. So cross chocolate is made of dash cross cocoa, comma dash cross sugar and cross milk. So what will be the complete sentence? Chocolate is made of cocoa, sugar and milk. Okay, next, number 4, in dash morning. So what will come in the between? In the morning she teaches at dash school. So a school will come, a school, and in dash evening. So before evening we will use the evening. Next, she volunteers at dash old pupils home. So before old we will use an old pupils home. Now come on the number 5th, dash handkerchief is made of. So dash handkerchief, so we will use the handkerchief is made of dash piece of, a piece of. So before piece we will use a piece of dash cloth. So we will cross it of direct cloths, piece of cloth. So complete sentence will be the handkerchief is made of a piece of cloth. Now come on the 6th, dash actor does not always. So an actor does not always have dash easy life. So before easy what will come? An easy life. Number 7, dash tiger. So tiger is important, specific, so we will use the tiger, and dash leopard. Leopard is also, so the leopard, the tiger and the leopard belong to dash cat family. So cat family is their species, so we will use the. So complete sentence will be like this: the tiger and the leopard belong to the cat family. Now come on the next 7, not 8. When dash sun rose. So before sun we will use the sun rose in the morning. So before morning what will come? The morning, comma dash fog. So the fog, and dash mist disappeared. So the mist disappeared. So complete sentence will be like this: when the sun rose in the morning, the fog and the mist disappeared. Number 9, is it dash time? So cross will be there. Is it time to get up, or can we sleep a little longer? So little, before little what will come? A little longer. Next, number 10. Anil is in dash habit. Anil is in the habit of switching off dash mobile phone. So before mobile, what will come? The mobile phone before going to dash. So in the dash, cross will be there. Bad at dash night. So before night, cross will be there. So complete sentence will be like this. Anil is in the habit of switching off the mobile phone before going to bed at night. So it was the habit of Anil. Before going to sleep, he switched off the mobile. Anil is in the habit of switching off the mobile phone before going to bed at night. Okay, my dear student, we shall continue these articles on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.